Hello today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 face and body hybrid electric razor and a beard trimmer for man, woman and so on, with a 5-in-1 face stubble comb and a body hair trimmer kit. This is the QP2834-T. Of course, on the market are always other sets, but the OneBlade face and body razor will be the same, okay? Because this is the heart of that set, and this is one of the best razors out there. Rechargeable OneBlade 360 face plus body can trim, edge, and shave any length of hair. The shave is not too close, so our skin stays comfortable. And the innovative 360 blade can flex in all directions to adjust to the curves of our face. The design enables contact skin, contact and control at the same time. And it comes included two blades. One 360 blade for our face and one blade for our body. We can use it wet or dry, with or without foam, as we like. We click on the skin guard for extra protection on sensitive areas, even below the belt. And it includes a 5-in-1 stubble comb plus a one body comb for even trim on the face or on our body. And we have a USB charging cable included. Wall power adapter is not included, but it's no big deal because nearly everyone out there, should have a smartphone. And a smartphone AC adapter can be used for recharging this device here. Okay, that's really cool because it is standard way, USB standard. This is the Philips Norelco trim, edge, shave, and make everything. So we can make with this OneBlade device nearly everything what we need in our face and on our body, for grooming, for face, for body, for big birds, for small birds, for trimming, for edges, and we shave any length of our hair with the Philips Norelco OneBlade, because we can adjust between 5 length settings. Adjustable comb with the 5 length settings won't clog, even on a long and thick hair. And we can use it wet or dry, as we like, with or without foam, even in the shower. And OneBlade, or the blades of this set, lasts up to 4 months. The stainless steel blades stay sharp for up to 4 months, based on 2 full shaves per week. Actual results, of course, may vary at your skin itself, or because of your hairs and so on. Maybe it's faster, or it lasts longer. So you can count on it. For example, for 8-12, you will need only 3 or 4 blades, which you are go to replace this, and job's done. The Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 face and body trims, edges, and shaves any length of our hair, even on the body. The OneBlade 360 face plus the body includes a one blade for our face and another blade with a click-on skin guard for our body. The unique OneBlade shaving technology integrates fast-moving cutter, 12 thousandths per minute, with a dual protection system to give us an efficient, comfortable shave on longer hairs. The innovative 360 blades can flex in all directions to adjust to the curves of our face, easily trim and shave hard-to-reach areas with a few strokes and a great comfort. The OneBlade does not shave too close, so our skin stays comfortable. We click on the 5-in-1 double comb for a face, or we use the additional blade with the click on skin guard and a 3mm body comb for a fast and even trim on our body and below the belt. We forget about using multiple tools. The OneBlade 360 face and body does it all for us. The OneBlade is fully waterproof, so it is easy to clean. Just rinse it under the tap. We can shave, wet or dry, even in the shower. No shaving foam is needed, but you can use it. Its stainless steel blades last up to 4 months off move. To keep the fresh feel, you should replace it. An eject icon will appear on the blade when it's time to consider changing the blade for the best shave experience. The lithium-ion batteries delivers up to 16 minutes of runtime after 4 hours of charge. The USB charging cable is included. Well, and so we can recharge this device easy peasy at home, or maybe on the vacation or on business trip using our power bank or a computer or tablet or what you have there, which delivers USB recharging power. This is the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 face and body hybrid electric razor and beard trimmer for men with a 5-in-1 face double comb and a body hair trimmer kit. This is the QP2834/7T. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon. And you see, it's really easy to replace the blades, and it's really easy to attach the blades, and it's so easy to use this Philips Norelco OneBlade itself. Really cool shaving. Soon.